Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya, and today we are going to see one more trick which you can use in your reports or any normal project report or one page report you are doing. The trick today is doing multiple columns in a single page. Okay, so we will take an example for that. So generally what happens is you want to make one paragraph of your text as one column, and then you have to change the number of columns into a same page. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. I'm just inserting one random paragraph of 10 lines. Okay, so I will just select it. Let's say justify. Yeah, now this is the one column, what you can see on one page, and then I want to do a same thing but with a two column. Okay, on a same page. Okay, there are some cases where you need to do this. The half of page is for the one column and half of page for this two column. Okay, so there is an option for that. What you do is you generally do a page break and you take it to a new column, new page. Okay, but there is one more option in layout. Just keep a cursor from where you want to start a two column format and go to the break option. Okay, and in break option you will be selecting not a page break, you will be selecting continuous section break. Okay, I will just insert a continuous section break. Now you will not observe anything in normal window, but what you can do is you can just go to home and switch on this hide and show. So that will show you wherever you have entered or put a section break or a normal page break. So this first portion is having one column, then I have inserted a section break which is continuous, so it is not going to the next page. It is a break but it is continuous, and I am having this new section in the same page. Now I have selected that section, and what I am doing is I am going to layout and I am doing a column change. Okay, now what will happen is only this part will go to the two column, right? So if you observe, the column change also gives you the section break by itself. Okay, so there is a section break at the start. If you select, you will get this option, section break at the first, section break at the start. Now what is happening here is whatever I have selected, it is now in two column, and at bottom I am again having a single column. So I will just copy paste this. See, so the first part of a page is a single column, second part of a page, second section of a page is a two column, and third part of a page is again a single column. Okay, so this is how you do multiple column settings in one page in MS Word. Okay, now let me give you an example. We are going to the certificate page, and generally this sign, name, and supervisor, all these things are two columns. So what we do is we add a certificate page, we add a data. Okay, this is to certify and all those things, and with name and sign supervisor I just select this, I go to layout and I directly insert two column. What selection will do is it will insert a section continuous break at top and at bottom both. Okay, it is that simple. So you just have to make sure it is perfectly aligned. So you can just select and make it a center align if it is not, and that's it. This is the only thing you have to do for a certificate page. So this is one of the example where you will be requiring this kind of setting. So I am doing it once more. Select the content which you want to do, go to layout, make a two column, and that's it. Your data is sorted. You don't have to worry about the alignment. It will be perfectly centered in the page, no issues. Okay, so this is very useful trick which I wanted to show you today, that is having a multiple columns in a single page. Okay, so if you like this content, do subscribe my channel, follow my channel, and share a word about channel with your friends. Thank you for joining.